Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate Canva prompt using Gemini. So guys, for that, go to your Gemini. Now right here, how can I generate Canva prompts and send it to Gemini? Then hold a second. And here Gemini will give you the answer, and from here you can get ideas and get some tips from Gemini that you want. So you can see here is also examples of good versus bad prompts. So guys, this is very useful to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.